Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about pollination in case of flowering plants. So what do you mean by pollination? Pollination means transfer of pollination means transfer of pollens or otherwise you can say pollen grains from female flower to male flower. That means female flower to male flower, or shortly you can say anther to stigma. That is pollens. The transfer of pollens from the anther, that means male, to stigma, that is called female, is called pollination. This is called pollination, friends. Okay, this process is pollination. So the agents of, let us talk about the agents of pollination. Agents, what agents means the factors which leads from pollens from one part of the flower to another or one flower to another. That means you can say wind, water, and living organisms like insect, bats, like this. So factors means agents are divided into two parts. We can say abiotic factors and biotic factors. So abiotic means non-living factors and living factors. Okay, this is living factors. So living factors and non-living factors. Let us write living factors. So in this case, example, or maybe say we can say wind, air, wind and water. And this, in this case, the factors are what we can say insects or bats, insects and bats. These are the what agents of pollination. They carry pollens from this. They help in transmission of pollens from what anther to stigma, that is male part of the flower to female part of the flower. Let us discuss about the types of pollination. Self pollination, cross pollination, friends. Pollination is of two types: self pollination and cross pollination. Self pollination is the pollination or the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of same flower or opposite. But self pollination means what? Self. That is within the same flower. Cross pollination, flowers of one plant to the flower of another plant of the same species. Okay, if the transfer of pollen grains take place within the same flower, both male and female parts are available there, and transfer is taken within. That I will discuss this by drawing. So within the same flower, it is called self pollination. If it is taking place from one flower to another flower of the same species of a different plant, right? That is called what? Cross pollination. Let us draw. Suppose So for here the transmission of pollination take place. Here the same flower, within the same flower, so this is called self pollination. But when transfer take place, one flower, this flower. So when the pollination takes place from one flower to another flower, this is called cross pollination, and this is called self pollination. So this is called self pollination within the same flower or flowers of different plant. This is called cross pollination. Okay friend, this is cross pollination. This is self pollination. So okay friends, we have already discussed what is pollination. Again I make you sure that the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma, that means male flower to female flower, is called pollinations. And the agents or factors of pollinations are both living things and non-living substance. This is बोल रहे थे कि what the non-living things are wind and water, the living things are insects and bats. And next we have already discussed the types of pollination, means self pollination and cross pollinations. And self pollination within the same flower, but cross pollination of flowers from one plant to another plant of the same species. This is all about what? Pollinations. Okay, thanks.